As a Jamaican, my country believe in modesty. When it come on to children, pick Niagara school, you have to dress a certain way. Else teacher have to send you back to your yard. You cannot come in a classroom in a no mini skirt in a my days. Nor no short pants, nor no tight pants, nor no pants drop down at your bottom, at your rear. That couldn't work in a filmy time. Even when you go in a courthouse, you have to dress a certain way. If you're not dressed proper for the courthouse, they might turn you right out. And if you have a newspaper in your hand, or any magazine, or any reading literature, hey, judge run you out of the courtroom. You have to sit down and look up there. You can't pay attention to nothing else. And even if you have your phone, you can't look on your phone, text message, nothing. Jamaica strict when it come on to certain things. If your soul, you hear gas cool now. I didn't think then was a problem. But now, teacher tell you say, you can't cut your hair certain way come to school. And you can't swell your hair come to school anymore. And for them who have the little rubbings and the cream and rub them face, some teacher make sure say, you stay home until you get back your right complexion. Them no joke and them no play. One person said to me the other day, she migrating to Jamaica, back to Jamaica with her American-born children. Look in school for them. Teacher make sure tell her say, your son cannot come to school with him here high up so, no cane row. The little boy said, in America we have free speech here. I find it odd. You do what you do in the Merrimaca, but you see when it come to Jamaica, it's different stroke for different folks. The rule apply either you're a foreigner or not. The rule apply to you. Them strict. Nobody go on like say you're a big woman and big man. Because Jamaica teacher, they no play. Them no play. Them enforce and embrace the rule of what them say. Them not change them rule fi fit in nobody. Parent, if you go a parent teachers meeting and you dress up in your cut up jeans, teacher no want you in a school, especially high school. Them a point you to the gate. You can't come in. You have to dress modest. So modesty was a thing from olden days back in the Stone Age in Jamaica. We know about modesty. We don't know nothing for sure, no part of our body. And for that reason, I'm not going into church with me arm out the door. Because me no grow so. Me grow to cover up my little body. Cover up. But now, breast and tie out the door. I'm not bashing anyone who do it. But for me, different strokes for different folks. Young people nowadays, if you no mind sharp when summertime come, then go naked. there are certain things that we could not do as a child. Because when you polish your nail, my father say, him no want no junk kuno in a place. And now if my daddy was alive to see me put on little makeup, he would have said the same thing. Him no want no junk kuno in ya. There are certain songs you couldn't sing, make my father hear. Him say you have to stop it. Although my father never good pon the reading, him never have any education. When him call, and when him talk, if he ever hear me run a corner, I say, come here, come here. As a teacher teach you at school, the word is come here. My parents enforce that I speak proper English. So you see when me come out and I learn out all the patois, sometimes you hear the little English come out in me, because I'm interchanging. Still can't speak the patois. Me no forget where me I come from. When I go to Jamaica, nobody can tell nobody say me there 16 years. When I go to Jamaica after being in the shadow for 16 years, it was a nice. I get some breeder food, they not tapia so. I was well fed. I went to spend 2 weeks. I end up spend a month. And I had to do it over again to go back for some days when I was off and enjoy myself. Somebody say, when you come and there storm come and your storm a come again and you come back again, me say, yes, I'm here bring the storm, because after every storm, there must be a calm. Thank you for watching. Like up the channel, subscribe as I bring you back to the good old days. Thank you. Share with a friend. Tell somebody else. Like up the live. Thank you.